Okay, today, had a little awkward start this morning because of various audio bugs, of course. But, today we're going to add a giant slime mini-boss. As you can see, I'm just using the, normal slime enemy that's been upscaled right now. That'll do for now until I get final artwork for it. We have this nice arena. I've just done the bare minimum of getting this guy added for now, so I'll tweak everything about him. It'll have two different attacks. One will be a punching attack. Let me pull up the image. So it'll like form its body into a fist. Here's my really crappy placeholder art, and then punch forward with the fist, and then it'll also have a jump attack where it'll like jump up in the air and slam down on top of you. That's the idea. It's the first boss in the game, so won't be too difficult. Pretty easy to fight. So first off, I need to set up its collision boxes because I never did that. Which I will have to readjust when the final art is available, but this will be fine for now. So yeah, right now it's just copied the normal slime enemy boxes, so I'm gonna fix that. So in order of smallest to biggest, we have the like environment collision, which determines where it can walk. It's gonna be the smallest. Do I want circle? Yeah, I'll do circle. I don't know why it's not centered though. Beautiful, ugly placeholder art. That is in enemies. Alright, fix that. So this bottom collider just determines where it's walking. I'll allow it to like overlap stuff a little bit, but something like that. Just gonna copy it over to the prefab. So let's see, the bottom collider. 18, we want the attack box, the slime's attack box, to be the next biggest. This will be the, you know, I don't really like that. We'll make that a capsule. Fit a little better. this will be the, if you touch it, you get hurt box. Should make it a little bit smaller. Something like that. Copy. Lastly, the hurt box. Which I guess I'll make a capsule as well. All this will all be tweaked anyway with the final art. And this one you want to be a little generous. This is the collider that you hit to hurt it. And that looks pretty good for now. So hurt box. Copy that over to the prefab. Looks good. Alright, how are we looking here? So the animation moves it a little bit, but oh, I'm not being hurt. So that's not good. I was being hurt just before. What happened? Why is it not hurting me? I literally changed nothing. I changed the collider. One of these was a trigger, I think. That's the problem. Alright, so the collider on the bottom is normal. Box is normal. Attack box should be a trigger. Alright. Gotcha. Good to go. So, I think right now, yeah, it's just following me. which I might use at some point. Just kind of thinking through the what the AI is going to be like for it. I want random movement when you're not close. Then maybe they'll be like let's see. Close. And then within like a certain range. Closes in on the player. That'll be where it walks directly towards you. And then within a smaller range, does the punch attack. And then the jump attack will kind of be sprinkled in randomly. Within that outer range, I think. So it won't jump. When you're far away, it'll be like a smaller range. Two different ranges. Okay. Back. Alright, that sounds good. Do this. Be based on moving for set periods of time. I can adjust to be different random times. Yeah, that's fine. And then whenever the move's completed, we're gonna do a check to see if it's close, and there'll be multiple players. You'll have allies with you. This checks to see how close the closest player is, and it uses that distance to determine what to do next. So, what the hell happened? Oh, icons. I don't know what's going on in my computer today. I think we're good though. So stupid. Alright, so I want two ranges. This is... We'll keep that called attack range. I'm gonna add a punch range. A little bit closer. That'll probably be still 200. Let's do 200, 300 for now. So if let's do, I need an attack cooldown, which I think I have a cooldown already. A general purpose cooldown. Yeah. Try to make use of that. Should be alright. Let's see, if I remember correctly, this cooldown is yeah, this is just kind of like a collider. That's to prevent you from taking multiple hits in a single frame, I think. That kind of thing. So, yeah, I do need... Okay, got it now. I do need another cooldown. Just to work with the AI here. Let's call it... Punch cooldown. And we'll do 4 seconds for now. So if we just finished a move and we're in the smallest attack range. Now we check if punch cooldown is less than 0, which we're going to. This should be adjusted. Gonna be also adjusting that all the time. Right. Got a punch method. And then let's add a punching boolean. So that we can wait until the punch is complete before we move again. It'll be here, so basically punching is true. I want to switch on the current direction. We don't want to switch on the current direction. We want to punch toward the target, which is gonna be this. So here is our closest player. I feel like I made a method for this earlier. Yeah, here we go. So this will return up, down, left, or right. Angle. I always forget. Right. Forget because I never use it. How do I add one of those? Add the little summary comment text for the autocomplete. Thought I already had one of those. Maybe Sprite. Because I always have to check to see if it's radians or degrees. And just wanna leave a little note so I don't have to check every time. Let's see, Sprite. Nope. Fine, I'll Google. It's there somewhere. I don't even know what to search for that. I don't know what they're called. Does that work? Like this. Yeah, that works, alright. There we go, now I don't have to check it every time. The classic spend 10 minutes to fix something that so I can save 5 seconds every time. About 5 years that'll pay off. So from this position to the closest player position. Have a gnat. So I took my plants inside the other day. A single gnat. So that's in radians. So do that, and we'll get the direction. I think we're just gonna directly switch on that. Oh, that was weird. Up. Get that. Down. Left is just right, but flipped. So that'll set the animation. Set punching to true. So now I need to base it on here. This is our punch animation. We have 2 frames of build up, and then it'll like charge forward with a punch. So I think I'll just go by frame. Punching forward. Which gets set to false when we start the punch because we're just prepping. So now let's see how much priority I want it to take. Not knocked back. Player's not dead. Yeah, that would be good. So, punching, that's going to take priority over everything else. Let's do this. It's the movement. I want to keep translate no matter what. I'm going to move this to here. That should be fine. That just sets the new animation for the direction when we're moving. So if we're punching, we're going to look at the frame of the animation. So if we're not punching forward yet, sprite frame, let's go to 3. We are now punching forward and we're gonna give it some velocity. Also, just realized, punching, when we start the punch, we're gonna set the velocity to 0 because we're preparing to charge forward. And then here, let's see, what do we do here? I don't even have a constant speed I'm multiplying that by right now. So I'll add that because that needs to change anyway, it needs to be faster. Apparently the slime I copied this from just defaults to 1, so I don't even have a constant. And this will probably be like, I mean, you want it slow, but not too slow. Let's see if 3 is too fast. No, there's a speed somewhere. An enemy. Let's see, forget how I had this set up. Let's then translate. We have a move speed that we adjust. That having that XML. Alright, I'll be back just a second. Alright, back. So I needed... So I set the move speed here. So this needs to probably be like 30. Try that out. Okay, so velocity just has a magnitude of 1. And it gets multiplied by the move speed, so what we're gonna do... translate anyway, just the move speed 0, the velocity 0. Shouldn't really be called velocity. It's like movement vector. gonna call it so more clear. So we have a movement vector and then the move speed separate. So at this point, punch toward the closest player, so we get the angle to the closest player, we adjust the correct animation for it, and then I'm gonna need this again, most of it. So here we're doing our movement prep while we're not moving at all. Until we reach frame 3. Then punching forward is true. We're going to set the movement vector based on the direction. Let's do this. And like the problem with the move speed, like this works if you're having my move speed variable on the enemy class works if every enemy only has like one move speed they use. A lot of times I'll have different move speeds. I still want to use translate. Oh, I can. Oh, okay, that's what I did. That's what I did. I did think of that. So translate without any arguments uses the move speed. Just like default move speed, and sometimes enemies are panicked and then run around quicker if they're on fire or something. Otherwise, so I can just call this directly and that'll do everything I need. Yeah, that'll work. So we're gonna do translate there. That's the normal translate. And then if we're punching, we're going to translate, well, we'll just do it separately here. If we're punching forward, whether it just got set or has been set earlier, we'll do translate, a higher. I need a punch speed, punch move speed. I do have good versus themes. What do you mean by that? And welcome, by the way. Need a punch move speed. Oh, I've never really looked at Visual Studio themes. I don't remember if this is even a theme, is it? It might be. I just immediately grab whatever dark theme is available whenever I get a new piece of software. So the movement speed, I'll put at 30, we'll say the punch speed. Try 100. That might be too high. Test that out. So I don't want to override that. So now, if we're punching forward, we're going to translate with the punch move speed. And then lastly, I need the punching when it's complete. So that would be... Let's see if these do finish. Punching forward, translate. Just add it here. So if we're punching and sprite animation is completed. Punching is now false. And that might be all I need to do, and I'll just allow it to go through on the next frame and do some new stuff here. I feel like I wanted to do something else. No, we'll go ahead and we'll set it to idle because it just punched. So I'll make it so that it just kind of like pauses and waits for a little bit. So we'll set move time to 2 seconds. Set movement vector. To 0. Set the animation to the idle animation. So just punch, we're just chilling. And then I'll have to update collision boxes too, but I think maybe this will do something. Who knows? Hopefully. Okay, well. It's way faster. Too fast. Why did that go that much faster? Let's do like 16. Why? What happened? Move speed 1, but it ain't doing 1. So I don't think any of this should even be gone yet. It is? Hold on. Punch gets called immediately? Oh man, this is weird. Should be punch range. Maybe I am in range. Let's see. Punch range is that. I'm gonna make that. Let's see. That should be probably like 10. Move forward at like 150. So just that. Now that movement speed is actually lying. It wasn't even punch speed, it was like acting like it was punching, but the animation was broken. Okay, so that's a little fast for a first boss. Okay, well, it did a punch. Need to really slow it down though. This is how many frames it takes each frame. And the actual final art will of course have many more frames. Okay, that's not bad. So I think that's working. Set the animation here. Didn't override the direction. So I need to do that. What's that? I feel like my stuff's just not right. Right, up, down, 100, 200, 300. 300. Great, that way. And then right is doing something completely wrong. Why? What am I missing? It's like it's using the walking animation and not the punching animation, but they're all right here. They're all right here. Punch is called then this goes. If it punches. Let's do. I want to make sure we're still not punching here. I think that's what I want. Alright, I think that's it. Good. Punch different directions. Yes. Good. Punch right. Good. Left. Perfect. Alright, so obviously needs to be a lot faster. Finally killed the gnat, so that's good. Everything's looking up. Alright, that needs to be like 3 times as quick and faster. Let's do 10. I think yeah, I should break it apart into 2 different animations. The prep and then the punch. Because I don't want it to charge forward that much. I want it to charge forward like half as much. But the speed is pretty close, pretty close. I'll add some adjustment to it too. So let's split up these guys. This is now gonna be punch prep. And then we'll have punch forward. Which starts at 600. All 2 frames each now. So these I can change to like 20. Give it 2/3 of a second prep. And then that might be about right. That maybe, I don't know, maybe less. Let's see what that looks like. So I need, this is punch prep animations, and then do the punch forward animations as soon as we start punching forward. Down. Right flipped. Right. And instead of checking a specific frame, we can just do completed now. The prep and the forward. I hope it does the full 2 frames. Pretty sure completed waits to be set to true until the full time is done. I don't think it is. Be able to tell which frame I'm on. Yeah, it automatically. Why does it skip? That's not what I thought it was doing. Like, skips the first one? Like that. Why is that? So it's only showing that first frame of animation for one frame of the game. Like I should have this set up here to where it fixes that, but let's see that. If it's fixed update, it might be called in the same frame. Because it gets set in an update frame. That's probably my problem. I just, maybe I need to do -1. Hope that works. There we go. That did work. When in doubt, -1. Solve all your bugs. Cool. Okay, now I can actually... Alright, I can remove the red dots. That's good. Don't need that. Let's go back to boss. I can adjust these to be probably 20. Let's see how the timing looks here. So I want the punch to be a little bit longer, and then kind of like probably a lot longer, twice as long, but then I'll adjust the velocity quickly. Let's do... We'll just set it on a timer. We'll do punch time. We'll start it at the value and count down. So we'll do punch time. It is the whole punch will last 1.2 seconds. Let's see what that does. So as soon as we start punching forward, punch time. It's the full punch time. So now if we're punching forward, we're going to translate, we're going to decrease punch time. And we'll do punch time. 0. Copy this stuff over. Oops. That. That'll be when it finishes. Otherwise, we're going to do linear step will be punch time. The remaining punch time divided by total punch time. Something might be backwards here. Let's see what that does. Give a nice fade to it one way or another. Yeah, that is what I want. Just need all the speed adjusted. I want like half of this. Then faster that. Closer. Still going a little too far. So punch speed now is basically an initial velocity that immediately tapers down. I think I want longer, but a different easing. I go the opposite way I want. I want it to do like most of the movement all at once and then super quick fade at the end. Yeah, do want ease in? Let's see what that is. Quad. Yeah, that's what I want. Alright. I need to add the collision boxes. I'm gonna take a quick GIF of this and update. Put out a quick little update for people. Let people know what I'm working on. Here. Should work. Good. So, how am I going to add these colliders now? I'll use this class. Probably be the way to go. Be my method for attack gliders. Do giant slime punch. We'll give it. Okay, so it gives a reference to stuff. 0. Don't need that. Don't need that. Do. Punch will probably be rounded Rex. Let's do something like that. Just use 1 for now. Final art. I'll have to adjust stuff. So basically, do that. Then let's see here. How did I set this up? Alright, we'll just do that. For the slime. Okay, don't dox me, Amazon. Thanks for that. Very cool. I will go get that though. I need attack. Private attack colliders. Good. So we have our attack colliders, which we need to add a new type. Giant slime punch. Call it attack. Oh, jeez. Alright. I'll add it. I think what we did. So what's this? Positions. Right. Yeah, we just set it to active. Okay, okay. Should be good. start out inactive. And then when we punch forward, set the colliders to true. It's just one collider in this case. And while we're punching forward, I'm going to say attack colliders, update positions with the direction we're facing and the frame of the sprite. And now, we can add our actual logic here. Not really logic, just data. For our slime punch. See, that's what I named it, right? Yep. That. Say they're always enabled, it's just one box we're moving around. Be really simple. The entire object is enabled or disabled at the same time. So we'll just do same position for each frame. This is down, so this will be like minus, I don't know, fix this later. Pretty much just this for every direction. And do up, deposit 40. Right will be 0. Negative 40. 0. Should be good. Oh. And then when we're done punching, disable this extra attack colliders. Also, our triggers. Do need that. Surprised I didn't set the layer. Is that how it's supposed to be? Test it out. Trigger, set it back to false. And we're done punching. there it is. Positioned correctly. Doesn't hit me though. Maybe it's because that was... What is the player collider? Weapon. Player. Get set to layer weapon. Where do I do that? Here, huh? So should I do that in code or on the prefab? Do it on the prefab, it should be fine. So this would be enemy attack. Looks good. Just the positioning. I think I'm just gonna ignore for now because it's just placeholder art anyway. But that's the idea. Well, no, that doesn't work. Enemy static attack. It's a trigger. Enemy attack. It's not working. Really need to get familiar with this. How I have these attacks set up. Enemy attack. Okay, yeah, the only difference is the static attack doesn't hit environment objects, so like slime walking through grass doesn't cut the grass, that's why I did that. But attack would. But I don't know why it's not hitting me though. It's the body hitting me at that point. I'm just gonna check. Yeah, it still doesn't work. Because the player attack... It adds a player attack script. Is that what's going on? I haven't added enemy attacks like this. This is new territory for this stream with this enemy. The enemies I have so far just touch you to hurt you. Yeah, so the attack colliders, yeah, it gets a player attack, and that handles its actual logic. So I need to do the same thing. Yeah, because I need to add the damage information as well. So I just need to do the same thing with the slime. So we create the colliders, and then we need to add... I have enemy attack. Enemy attack. Smash opponent. So that should actually hopefully work now. Yeah, there we go. I need a bigger knockback though. So I'm barely being knocked back and then it's hitting me again. So, yeah, what's going on here? Was I going through it earlier? Oh, what's going on there? I think it's because... Is that override? I think that's overriding something. Yeah, this is the basic stuff. I want a new enemy attack. This is the default only. Alright, so I want enemy attack, punch, enemy attack. So that's going to be a brand new one. And we'll see if I need to do anything else. Hopefully no. That's fine. Yeah, it's not like... I can adjust that stuff on another day. The main problem here is you're not being knocked back. This is like a giant punch attack, so you should be knocked back. I don't really have specific logic for that yet. Here's just my basic knockback. For a standard hit. Take hit. You can add it. You can add a knockback force to the attack. We do that. Default it to that. We'll just do... This might be way easier than I thought. Just do that. And then let's see how well this works. I'll probably have to adjust my physics on the knockback as well. So the punch, enemy, attack. Has an attack info. I just want to do an update here. Stupid gnats. I moved my plant outside that I took in from the storm, but get rid of those gnats. Alright, probably just add it to this method. Attack info, power. Yeah, we'll just do it here. We'll add a float, knockback, force. Default it. punch force will be, I don't know, standards 50,000. Let's try 60,000. What's that do? Yeah, it's not bad. Compared to a normal attack. What's it doing now? This is so annoying. Punch gets disabled somehow. It's so annoying. Like, it doesn't get reset, that's the problem. Punch enemy attack. So when I add a new attack, I also gotta do this. That should work. So this should get called from enemy attack here. And then punch attack would never be null. We need a new attack cooldown. So we need a punch attack cooldown. We'll just reuse that. It's fine. It's like the standard. Just need a separate variable for that. And then back here, need that code. Good stuff. Game update. Movement here. Punch attack cooldown. It's over 0, adjust it down. If it's less than 0, we reset the punch attack. That way we can get punched again. Alright. Should be good. Should be good. Alright, good punch. Another good punch. Okay, a little fast there. Not enough knockback. I just need like more iframes, probably later. And like touched this in ages. Is it linear drag that I want? Yeah. It's a little too slippy. Let's do 7. Oh my gosh, what the hell? Why is it so hard to log out? God. Alright. I downloaded a single tool to try to fix my audio issues, and it made me like sign in to all my email and stuff. Alright, what was I working on? Oh yeah, this linear drag. I want to see how mass affects it as well. Like, what? I might remove it from the physics and like, do my own physics and code. Some kind of easing. I don't know. It'd be simpler if this would work. I'll just adjust all this on the fly. Let's do. Definitely want more drag. Maybe a bigger knockback. Better once I have an actual taking a hit animation for the character. That's pretty good for now, though. I think I wanted to adjust this down just a touch. Maybe decrease this just a touch. Alright, that looks good. Punches, so awesome. Next up is, now that I got all the attacks figured out, it should go smoother. I need to do some jumping attacks now. So let's look at my notes. So we do the punch when we're very close. Otherwise, if we're only a little close, let's make, I never added that either. Let's add the movement, should be super easy. Here, when we're moving, we just did a move. We check if we're in punch range. Punch, else, let's check if we're in attack range. Rename that aggro range. Be a little more clear. So we're not close enough to punch yet, but we see the player. So if that's the case, we're just going to move toward the player for a while. Just like, we'll do like little snippets at a time. That'll be fine, I think. Moving. Later. Just make it float. Player time, and that'll be basically we move toward the player, and every second check to see if we're in punching range yet, or if we're outside, or if we ran away, give up. To every fifth of a second. So move time. So I just finished a move. Else if we're in aggro range. Moving toward player time. Set that to there. And then that should be all we need to do. Set the move time. Oh no, that's Yeah, that's... Alright. This we just want to be a boolean. So if we're in the aggro range, we set the boolean to true, set the move time to the moving toward player time. That'll allow us to keep using this little code block. Punching, we do that, else I think we're just going to here if we're moving toward player. It's a little sloppy, it's fine. We're just gonna do the update move toward player, which automatically does all the angle calculation I need. I do want it to be any playable characters, so you or your allies. And we'll do, let's see, it's null. Let's see, it's game player. Let's do based on the PC transform. Which should be fine. So update, move toward player. Let's add a class variable for player target. Does all that, and then so it has the closest player that's within aggro range. So we're going to do move toward player, set move time, and we're going to set the player target to the closest player. That variable. So now we hold on to that, and then here we can pass that into there. So we move toward the target. Then move time's going down, and when that reaches 0, after this check, we'll recheck everything again and move toward a different player if a different player is close. I want also, if so, this is if they're punch, you punch, else you move toward them. Else, no players within range, so just in case that was true, we're just going to set that false every time. We are no longer moving toward a player because the players ran away, we lost them, so we're just going to wander again. Alright, let's see how that works. So there should be a range at which just kind of follows me. Yeah, there it is. And if it gets close enough, it punches. if I run away too fast. Yep, it loses sight. Excellent. Alright, that works really well. I'm gonna see what it looks like hiding behind these rocks. Looks good. I need to adjust. This will come into. This will matter more. Yeah, right now that's super offset. I need to adjust my colliders too. To get the Z ordering right. Because I noticed that was off earlier. The sprite needs to be offset like. Like the point at which the Z ordering takes over would be back there. It's like 19. Something like that. Let's do that. That's right. Right. This needs to be 19. So that was 13. Let's adjust the colliders. Adjust the punch as well. To move all of these up. 13. Did the math wrong. It's good. I should have to just move it on my own. Yeah, correct. Yeah, it's looking a lot better there. Get all that Z ordering correct. And then I need to redo, I need to shift this over. Not that it, I don't even worry about it because I gotta redo that. With the finished art anyway. Collider for the punch. So that's cool. Let's see what was next. think we're good on movement. Random movement, we're not close, within range, close in on the player. Now, if we're in that within that aggro range, whether or not we're within punching distance or not, we're gonna have a small chance, smallish chance, like 10 to 20%, to do a jump attack instead. That could be fun. Be a bit of work. Hopefully it goes smoothly. I got the punch attack. Alright, so just gonna do this once. It'll look kind of weird, but I'm gonna do if, first of all, if we're within the aggro range and 20% chance, gonna do a jump attack. These are all else ifs now. Jump attack, I've already, it's got prepare jump and jump. So we have, let's see here, 2, 2, 2, like prepare jump, squishes down, jump, elongates as soon as you jump, and then it's just in the air, and then as soon as it hits, it squishes again. General idea. And then we'll do some shadow work as well. And a new attack as well. The default enemy attacks. That, so we can disable that during the jump. Alright, so let's see. Let's do jumping. We'll do it'll just be based on the animation timing. And then do air and landing, I think. So jump attack. See, when is that? Because I need that there. Because that was. But I need, if not punching and not jumping. That. So, jump attack. Jumping is true. Set animation. It's false. Jump. Pair. And then I'm gonna reset these guys for the second one whenever we call jump again. What was it? Jump. In air is false and landing is false. So at this point we create the jump animation. Set jumping to true. We want that as well. Stop moving. Alright. And then jumping. Punching. So, alright, here. Break it up if we're not in the air yet. And we'll write it like this. If we're landing, we do some stuff. Else, if we're in the air, we do some stuff. Else, we're not in the air yet. Gonna wait until the sprite animation is completed. That's pretty much all we're doing. We're not moving, we're just waiting. So then, and there's true, we take the enemy attack. Disable it. Set animation. Jump. So I need I have a generic gravity thing, but is that an entity object? I think it's an entity. But I think I'm gonna like adjust the timing of like the gravity in a more like kind of stylized animation way. A little like more hang time at the top and like a quick slam down. It's not realistically accurate to physics, but it'll look cooler. Alright, I need my calculator tool. I get fancy here. Alright, not a math expert, so there's gonna be a lot of trial and error here. That's not what I want. So I want a parabola, but with like more hang time at the top. So That would be... I'm gonna have to do like a weird... So it's like this is my jump. Alright, let's see. Almost kind of... No, not that. Kind of like this shape. I never thought of this. There we go. Cool. So now we go 0 to 1. I don't want this little curve, because I want it to just slam down. Do that. This is so weird looking. I just want to offset that now. 0.57, 18. There we go. That's something I can work with. Have unique methods of making graphs. Alright. So we'll use this monstrosity and just say ends nicely at 2, and we'll just use these values to jump up real fast and then like hang time, slam down, so it's not physically accurate, but it'll look cooler. Yeah, I think that's good. Alright, so how to convert that now? We need a jump time. A total jump time be 3 seconds. So as soon as we jump, say jump time is 0. And then in air, we do. Load height. Oh, it doesn't copy nicely. Of course it wouldn't, because it's go. Duh. Does it copy? It has all these weird slashes. Alright, I'm just gonna move this over. So we got -2 times cosine the percent. It's gonna be the jump percent is how far along in the jump we are, so it's gonna be jump time divided by total jump time. So x is gonna be jump percent times 2, because the graph we made lands back at 0 at x is 2. So that's our x plus, I hope this works, all of that, and then cosine let's see, so the parentheses would just be, I don't think this doesn't, that doesn't get raised to the 4th, this does. This. This is so much an all or nothing idea. Plus 1. So that's the height from 0 to 1. So then we need at peak jump height. And that's gonna be like the y offset of the sprite. I don't know, like 200. That sounds cute. 150. I'm gonna add a shadow so you can actually see. Adjust all the shadow sizes later. So that 0 to 1 times the peak jump height. And so then we add that. Well, we set the sprite offset to that. Sprite. Let's do, because this is going to change to private vector 3 sprite board. Do sprite board. Oops. Sprite origin equals that. So here we can do sprite dot position is sprite origin x, sprite origin y plus the height, sprite origin z. So we'll do if jump time, we'll just do it here. If jump time is greater than or equal to total jump time, we're gonna end jump else we do this stuff. Landing is true, sprite set. And we'll do something else with the lighter boxes, the attack boxes there. And then here we're just waiting on if sprite are completed after we're landing. Let me turn this back on. Give it the idle animation. And jumping is complete now. Move that back. Right now we don't have any X movement. That'll be easy to add. And we need a move time. It's like a cooldown. Alright, no idea what's gonna happen here. It is random, I need to change that. Just wait for it to do something. There it is. Alright, looks like it's stuck on the prepare jump animation. Jumping, yeah, in the air never gets set to true. First of all, let's temporarily, here we'll do, that'll always be true. And then, so we go to jumping, we're not landing, we're not in the air, so it's doing this. It must be the animation is looping. It is. It should not loop, should not loop, should not loop. Easy fix. Okay. Tried to jump. I got stuck. Because it's in the air. I never move it. Jump time plus equals time. There it is. Easy. Should be good. Nice. Look at that nice jump. My graph worked perfectly. Gotta adjust the timing. Probably just like the same height, just like half the time. So I'll need to add some horizontal movement or some X and Y, if you imagine that as the Z. Because it's going to try to target the closest player and jump on top of them. It's a classic monstro attack if you've ever played MINIBOSS. Alright, I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. So, before the jump, it's gonna target a player. And I'll just basically pick a target and then jump onto the target, no matter where the player is after the jump. So you can just dodge it pretty easy. I like that hang time though, that's really nice. That graphing, I've used that graphing calculator before. It's been really handy for stuff like this. Animating stuff with math. Then I'll need to do some extra shadows, different size shadows, and I'll update the shadow size depending on height. So this will probably be like the size of the shadow at the peak, but it'll start big, get smaller, and then get big again as you come back down. Nice. So to add the X and Y movement first. We're gonna need to set the movement vector and an XY jump speed. Jump move speed, which will depend on the distance that we're jumping. So I want to pick a target. We're going to do the same thing as that. We're going to pass in a closest player. Copy this. So movement vectors. It is going to be 0 at first. So I don't want to set that yet, but I can go ahead and calculate. To jump, move the vector, the angle. So, just gonna copy this. Actually. This is just general purpose variable I can reuse, I believe. So the angle from this to the closest player. And we're going to set the jump move vector to that. That'll give us the direction that we're going to move when we jump. And then the jump speed, I'm going to have to do some math. Jump speed is going to be the distance. We have the distance to the player and the jump time. Jump time. So I want distance divided by time. To the closest player, transform position divided by the total jump time will give us the speed at which we need to move to land on the exact spot we're targeting. It's jump move speed, jump move vector. So then we prepare a jump, go into the air here. At this point we set the movement vector to the jump vector that we just calculated, and we set the, don't set anything else there. While we're in the air, we translate by the jump speed that we calculated. Jump. What did I call it? Jump move speed. Think we're good? Think we're good? Hopefully. Looks pretty good. Yep, going right toward me. I'm surprised the collider, because I'm not disabling all of it. Disable attack box. Like this should still, does this not actually touch enemy? It's in it. Maybe it doesn't. Enemy. Player. Player and enemy don't touch by design. So all I'll do is I'll disable the attack box, because otherwise you wouldn't be able to walk under it. I need to disable the hurt box too, because I can stab him like that. It's kind of funny. So I need to disable that, even though it's funny. So when we're in the air, we disable the enemy attack, and we're going to also disable the hurt box. Should be all we need. And then probably add some kind of like little ground animation. Dirt flying up would look cool. Or just like a dust effect at least. And just like a slightly larger hit radius. This looks so nice when the finished art is there. Be a fun little boss. Alright, I zoned out. What was I doing? Need to do the attack. So I want... add ground pound box. Probably be a capsule because of perspective. This and just make it bigger. Alright, ground pound box. Off at default. Ink it up. Need this ground pound attack. So, like that. So I'm doing this slightly different just because it's a basic circle that doesn't move. Otherwise I'd use my attack fighters class. Updates based on an animation. I think this will be fine. public. We need a game object. Box. I don't know why I call it box. It's not a box. That's public, so we should be able to link it up now. Collider, deal. There. Copy you over. This is going to be the ground pound box, ground pound collider. Add an enemy attack so it can hit us. Probably same knockback, maybe a little less knockback as the punch. At some point I'm going to have different types of knockbacks, so just like a little standard, like take a weak hit knockback, and then stronger ones like the punch and this smash that'll just like knock you on your back for a while. That would be, but I haven't implemented that. I don't have art for it yet. But that is planned. So this is all I need for that, I believe. So what we want to do is we want to manage this collider to be as soon as we land right here, turn it on. Done landing, turn it off. I might move that to like a certain frame of the landing animation as well. Is that all I need? I feel like I'm forgetting something. I don't know. Pretty good. So there's the ground pound collider. Needs to be bigger. Quite a bit bigger. Something like 70-60. Need some like ground effects, some dust, some nice sound effects. I need to reset the thing too. This. Aid. that. Yes, copy this over to you. That should now allow it to hit me multiple times. That was the other thing, I think. No, it's hitting me too. It's not doing the knockback though. Maybe it is. Did it? Because I was already moving. Yeah, it's hitting me, it's just not knocking me back very much sometimes. Why is it so random? Like that. Like now it's working fine. Well, that's annoying. Not sure what I was doing earlier. What the hell? The physics work differently depending on if I'm in the editor or not. It's lag related. So this is the more accurate game physics. Well, that one worked. It's like when I'm in an editor. I get sent a lot farther. Quite a bit. And I think I got sent the most when I selected that, where there's a lot of lag. It's like lag related, that's so weird. Alright, well, at least... I wonder... I don't remember if I adjusted any of this stuff. I like to have the knockback physics base that makes it easy, but like if it's just gonna go crazy on slower computers, that's annoying. So weird. Yeah, I'll have to do that off stream sometime. I'll convert knockback physics to fake physics so that they're consistent across different. I'll have more control over it. It'll just take a little bit of work. Probably should do that anyway for other reasons. Alright, next up on this guy. So I'll fix that another day. Alright, I need to change his shadow. To change size depending on how high he is. I guess I need different size shadows anyway. So I'll keep it like pixel perfect and not just scale a shadow. It would look fine, but keep the pixel art integrity. Let's see. I'm looking for shadows. Let's see right now. This is off limits. So we got these size shadows. Basically, I want that. I'll do it smaller. I'm just gonna redo all these. That looks nice for after a certain size. Do like that. 2 notches. Probably more than I need, but alright, there's our circles, and I'm just gonna squish them to a shadow. That. Just gonna redo all of these. Make it symmetrical. Good. So then these go +2. Add a little baby shadow here. More shadows than I'll ever need, no doubt. Just make them, I'll just put them in a strip. It's fine. Keep things simple instead of packing them in. It's 2022, y'all got computers to handle a few extra kilobytes of memory for my pixel shadows. It's not wrong. It'll be fine. Right. I just gotta copy that over now. I'll do that over here. That is... measure the sizes. It's 5, 8, 10, and then after 10 it goes up 1 each. Nope, it doesn't. 10, 11, 12, 13. Then it goes up after 13. Alright. It's 5, 8, 10. I'm gonna name the shadows based on their width. 8. So 5, 8, 10. Got 11, 11, 12, 13, and then up by 2, all the way to 45. 11, 12, 13, and up by 2 all the way. Zero these out for now. All the way to 45. Good. Seven by 6. Just gotta type all this in. Just a bunch of manual stuff. 6, 10, 6. 12, 12, 7. 7 is 10. Yeah, 19. I'm just gonna do it this way. 13, 8. 13. 13, 13, 8. 14, 8, 27. 8. 15, 8, 35. 5, 15, 8. 17, 8. 43. 17. 19, 10. 51. 10. 21, 10. 61. 23, 12. 71. 25, 12, 83, 5. Oh, that's right. I knew I was going to do that. 83, 25, 12. So I'm not reading them in order. width and height is 2714, 95. Nine 14 19 29 14 I'll start doing it in 2 steps because I can't remember all these numbers. 31 16 23 33 16 39 35 18 37 18 173 39 20 191 41 20 120 211 43 22 231 45 22 253 and lastly 47 24 7 4 275 Alright, so that should be alright. Hopefully that didn't break. Yeah, that broke that, of course. Medium was probably third one. Alright. Should have shadows. A whole ton of more shadows to use. good. I'll adjust them. I need the player shadow to be a little bit bigger. It's 15 one. Probably about what I want. Yeah, that's good. Alright, now, so when that adds the shadow, just need to set the rectangle. I think that's all I need to do. Okay. So all I'm gonna do, keep a reference to the shadow. Sprite shadow. Or isn't there already? I already have one. Nope. So we're gonna create the shadow. Then we're gonna adjust the size of the shadow based on the height of the slime when it's jumping. So that's right here in the air. This is all the updates on that. So we have our height variable. Basically, we're just gonna say if height. I'm just gonna like manually, because the total height is what? 150. Shadow. Just to test it, we'll do 100 shadow. Set rect is I wonder if 45 is too big. Else at the peak it'll be like tiny. Ish, relatively tiny. Do 15. And then when we're done, we set it back to 45. Yep, I mean that looks good. Good as in it's doing what I want it to. Now I just need to actually make it look good. So I need to just scale it up from 15 to 45. It goes by 2, so that'll be 15, so that works out very nicely. Very easy math. Do that. Else, height is less than 20, we do 3, 31, 39, 37, 35, 33, 31, 29, 27, 25, 23, 21, 19, 17, else 30, 40, oops. This is gonna look so good. 50, 60, I can't. 70. Let's go to 17, I think. 45. 45, 43, 41, 39, 37, 35, 30, 31, 9, 7, 5, 3, 1, 19. Looks good. Let's see how it looks. Oh, that looks great. That looks perfect. That looks super great when there's finished art on it. But yeah, that'll be it for today. There's the slime boss. Obviously finished art I need to do, and then I think that's all I wanted for it pretty much. Jump attack. I just need to got the new shadow sizes. I need to correct, because right now it's just super jump man. This just correct that back down. So it actually randomly jumps now, only 20% of the time. Otherwise it'll punch you. So it jumps. Did I save that? Nope. Or yeah, I did. Alright, it's jumping way more often than I'd expect. So it should be punching 80% of the time. Now it is. Okay, we just got weird RNG there. Yep, so we got punchy slime. You can hit it. Do all the balancing another day. Fix all the collider boxes to be more precise once I get finished art. Yep, and now he's only punching, but yep, there's the jump. A couple random jumps. That's nice, that's nice. I'll have to test it with allies at some point as well. But that looks good. That's all for today. Thanks to anybody that came and watched. Not sure what I'll do next week, but I'll figure it out. See ya.